Youth Politics TV so. I am some for any mu host. Men adwumadi mi dimu chiame Nana Kwame Esid. Do na afre me Milito. And I mena matena adwama majima kwenya na o mine mu nsema ekoso. Ya be pense muni ahwe de ekọ ni ye mani de enkoye nyina ne ya hwe de mabedwafo so e waka fa ho. Ene efia no me wo second deputy EC of CK Tedem University of Technology and Applied Science. Can a friend UDS na Brungo campus. Ivan Skofi e Japan senior. Me ma wakwa baba dwumadi so.
Nana, me asi. Eja. Na me ada Roma yi say dia wa wani tia. O mining sema de yakoso o mining mu no. Ehia ye nyina.
Sa pepe.
Ka ya so ebetimi aka fa ho no. Eja o ma ya konya se ya. Yes, you ever ye masem abetuja.
Eja o mining ye mtini nyina ya wa.
Ye be ni de mi na fa. Tinana.
Obia ne kwan ofa so sum ne ma ye dem se be ba betina na eja. Yan so ya adwen ne de ya kekan bia. Wa ko fi wa ye fe. Wa ye fe pa. Ya se ti so ana.
Ya nyame ase.
Ara ma bi ahye.
Anyhow, MPP wa ban mi na ne ma ko yi. Obia.
Ya me sha bi se no ma ko yi ba.
Ekoye ma no. Se ne ma pa. Na na ku fa do ne ma pa go akwam Dr. Bawumia. Ye hwe de o yi ya. Ene ne ma se de ne ma akosu ya. Bibi akoye je se wa wa nyi so we ni ba hu ade. Na won ka no kre. Se o wa ni na hu ade na be ka no kre a. Eja yi ni se kakra ba bia e pese o ma ne kokodu no. Na na ne Dr. Bawumia o madwuma pa e de e be ko. Ti de hia ya mpa ye. Ai be bo amu.
Na ebi anu men disi ko so ma yin ko yi ara mo de da bia sa.
O se wi ase no. Se eni o man abibifo ankasa se de esitie no. Se ni nua ya. O ye ni ye kura na. Obenya bibia aka wo hu. Ti eni anu men disi for de ni wo mo. Ye ni de o mtae. O je.
Into o man mu aye de betimi attribute to post covid. Na brother Roman o man mu aye de discuss so komo de.
Won say COVID na de e ba
you. Oh, before that, my member finance committee chairman Akwaba. Honorable George Amam Anoeka, Beard Gang. Finance committee chairman UDS Navrungo campus formerly as they say a friend CK Tedem. As they say some year UDS for some year CK Tedem for Yamen Kwani movies. I ask them Honorable Member Akwaba.
That's one him. Nah, yeah, slogan and they say for God and for country.
Sa pepe, him for na slogan for God and for country.
Yeah, patriotic citizens, no.
Say patriotic.
Yeah.
We related to MPP.
Okay, almost a bit more almost somewhere patriotic.
I can say yeah, comrades. Yeah, I think no, say we belonging to the biggest opposition.
Oh,
NDC. Now they win you baby. I was in MPP. Sa pepe. I should say you sag it so you sag atadi. You call your mama.
You sag. I should say a train appointment. Be said a 2 man at 2 man. Tom so the man. By Nifa, you be an appointment. See, you ever found the side train.
I President Christian. So they use sag president.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yamen can on any baby uncle. I remember Minua Kofi at Japan, so Kofi at Japan. And I mean, MPP in Kofi Japan. People did do Mutu. Fix the country. They started free social media and then no more by youth. No one said there be no maybe Koye or my Muha. And that's our buying you or mining from previous administrations now, no maybe Koye. To fix the country, maybe also say there be fix your attitude. And no one say anything fix the country, no fix your attitude, there be fix the country. No. It be soon said there be say, oh fix the system here. The people will adopt to the system and so the country will be better. And Timini Akofi, what can I say? Fix the country.
You mean you are Kwame, Medasi. The American say, oh, fix the country, I say we are the Biakan. Ubi beka se bia Kofi Mula or MPP ni ana se we say me do MPP me pe party na asem ba me di o man ni di me gidi se bibi nko ye o man na nkofo bi gidi se e so mo e kan bibi fa ho a e so mo ye o mo every right to do so Into fix the country asem no. Mimi gidi. Say nkofobia mu say bibi ne eso mo ye. So Philly said bibi nko ya nti na onka. But how I always see about the thing. Any problem. And meaning the entire be seen it. Yama mo kwan mo nye demonstration. O man mu nie we kasi say no asem ne kra ekọ yama amanfo ne kwan. So mo gidi say bibi enko yie. Nti say na eso mo ya and I say e no mo person mo ye as citizens of this country.
No spectators.
Yama panika and me gina na akufo adudi. Me gidi say ono obema obi akwan say de opese wonye bia because okan ye say bibi ha waka. Into Philly say o man no yen fix ya. Goka
I don't know more kind of one can. Why are they using the police to intimidate and then suppress them? The government is using the police.
And I make us say
intimidate us in another say
ejina how am person musi ya de no
demonstration
yen na ye Ghana fo
sa pepe
say em boa e be boa
ama bibia
akoyie yeah SN joining face the country and then I be joining aboa and now say
I class on join it's a citizen not a spectator
yes
it's a bibi
for my campus
o ma say me say
on join
me ya pipi penny no dey no to nten am ye Ghana ni
sa pepe
o mind dey nya fixing enye ne
fiti
tete e be si ne nyema bebre o ha ye ni yes ye ni ye o timi sore say ya boa ya no ene ya
demonstration
dabi
oba
as on mine no ye nyema bi sa enye den emmoa ese bibia kakra na ye nkrofo ya police fo ne ye soldiers fo na strafo ese de obuo mo the rate at which I attack you because of this face the country asem enye kama ebi ni say the na me nua ma scare kai say police force stop your money
aban na use police
if na who say aban akogbo police force no say monkwala
the day they were supposed to march no on fight water tank and the pepper spray cars and go see independence
because they were not supposed to go and do that
they didn't say they were going
me patron na bomba ski
the day they were supposed to march
fine
they plan to go on that day a notice of demonstration
and na police for the catch police for the mo kwan say mon kwaya na
police police has no right to tell them to go or not
and why say police for at the first
that's the law
patron me interrupt you
me time na me dey kasa mo time ba ubetimi aka wa asem
ase kan dey awuso nka bi
mo ba wo se wa kan me dey ni bi jon kan so David kwa ma me kwa mama nkasa ma asem ni na wa dia aka
say o 5 minutes say we use 2 minutes
nti
me ba obe fi no madum the microphone
NDC for sa obi mo ho mo ya mo so mo ni NDC for but we know them omo sem ni o ma na mo ntu o mo tutu no we know what they are trying to do but enye ye because Ghana for their ban ready omo ti na akufo abibi omo hu ni ma pa o ye
madam mo se didi omo o aban mu di atonsu mi aban ye
e de wuwu mi nu akwa mi ye de wuwu so de gina so de ato aba o man we ti en fe no tontin bakakra me kan say face the country no a good cause so mo follow the right procedure no mo di ya ni nyina be de e be boa
nti wo kofi wo gidi say e was say fix the country
o man de say egusu a ye hihye de e say fix it niama bebre wo wa ese ede ehihye ni
ka so se na na ado aye bibia ye nti ko man ni ha fixing
me ka se na na ado aye bibia ye se wa wie na na ado gusu a wa ye niama ye
na aye de na ba ye na there ben na one district one factory na anti
you who she
the country doesn't fixing again
one district one factory e clear this say wo we ni ba wa ni say onye dey you say yes ya obi mu wa ni bo mu hu ade ebi na me nua basket ya o obetimi atena
ba de o wa ni zu hu ade na enye bi ni o
obetimi atena aka tell me say onim any factory bi abanwe buy under the initiative of the one district one factory abanwe ai
very good o dey mean to me be so question
me patro enu so
who ni kwan say obi say question
ma me nua ko fi nkasa
what I say
o gidi say na na do ye de ba still e was say fix country
say ye yi na na do ene ye de omanpanyin foforo ba obeye niam papa still ye be hia bibia so tena ye tena na is working Dr. Baumia is working
near no man before being so say. And brave you fix the country, I fix your attitude. Say, Nipana, you see. Yes, to buy himself Oko District Assembly crowd, which we bear Juma 10, or bomb actually, a bottle of what's upon. What I'm saying, face the country. I mean, sir, wouldn't say, fix the country, but I will be cut to us a fix so one. We'll see one Cassayi. I didn't know, say, yes, sir. I buy a beer Juma, who pay Juma, your mouth be quiet, or what's now. Wouldn't the way, or back Juma 10, about 12 or not, or call lunch or Kotowachi, or bet now be due at me. I know, sorry, coffee. Tell you what, say what Johnny Mouth, you know, coffee. And what you got any bank what I bridge down one, yes, sir. What did I say? What I say? If it's only Sabrutino, so one year, my baby ready. But you say, how do you? I'll buy you my yedi. Me remember, may I transfer and I better transfer to me. Well, but the case I saw my head, yes, I care and said, will be better them. Now one year, as you know, if you are Pamno. Yeah, Pamno, because, oh, yes, I will have more money to pound on yet. Now we are probably more by say, I buy we. It's me, the massive answer, face the country wrong. Yeah, more kind of demonstration. I some fun as some co. What I say, but they ain't him. I make Kofi Mula, I saw my papa, me, say, I buy any gusua or any my papa. Nkwala go school free. Ye be a new mama for you be ye. Now, but who's the statistics is what I say? Who just a or say a bare 10%, only about 10% of university graduates. And in your Juma or my mind, in any Juma will be a mamma. Nana Kufuado, on Naminan Sasso, with the help of Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, sir, almost your money, it's almost the Bibia by a friend Napco. You see, Napco, Scanner, and then now, but you see, yes, you can't be say half a loaf is better than none. So, better not fear, Unashi, I don't know the day. Graduates, Juma or no more than you say, who said, do an area of white collar jobs. Say, planting for food and jobs, where you school now. Bocho, Abayada Roma. I mean, my skate, you know, Cassa, your man, seats no, Uncle Bia, my skate, on Tombi, that's Eddie. It's never really nice. Yeah, who yakaki kaboma. I didn't know one more. Face the country. We say, I can't 1 minute when I mean, beside question. Face the country is in. But I can say, so you're more no say, yeah, you know. Almost when you might be on or one person on bay, and as will be up your office and you are person will be a square now, but they are them to office near 10 times come and Diana. Men person may blame Maguno. But the American say Juma or what could school cushion bra, number apply you cushion. What I say, and nothing I'll bet train say, I buying for Juma showing some. Now the cushion, then I also hear the abo, my accounting, the planning in your bank and I didn't make a maybe I'll come out to me say, oh, yeah, accounting, bank pen is on page. Into your accounting, I see any bank at Mao, my which means that one account means that what they never started. Scan out the best capital interest 33%. Mamenko honorable machines, honorable machine, Kofi Kasa, where we running Remusa. I remember enough. Honorable boss, the sum of probably by you for latest TV. So, by said, now when you can face the country, and say, as I knew an MP for say, country never say fixing, so says I fix the attitude. Now, Mamma, the Mujina Finfi, which I could be in Kumachab and defending, and once so much say. Near my school, Finfi, or Chaco baby. The person be acted to in Serbia or Kai, sir, about 1D1F. Me, papa free, upper East, Mako, the district, 2 district, Bulsa North and Bulsa South, me who factory beer or order. Inti assembly say those 2 districts. Abino how many Abino or how many years in government? Village is all over number 2 from. Is that the dam they promised us? But we are on it. Also irrigation dam. So you expect say oh they be boss for at a goal this your
Look at the number of districts we have in this country.
Five years ni those districts two na America no those two districts na America no shit. You promise each
step by step.
Okay, fine.
When
promise constituency be $1 million each year. Emba.
Again, in as 1 hour, they can scan ma.
Don't we follow parliamentary proceedings?
It's young people that scan
first one ambulance. 5 years.
2 says can be about me at
5 years. Now back up, boss.
Honorable Maskin Pacho, and you only could feed the income. Menu need income. What I say, and you're no question.
But you're doing the mic, and this is how we do
the mic. Is it what Casa or is it on our platform? That's on new platform.
And I also fix its attitude at workplaces. We are buying, you are employing them. Into people on your man or Oprah. Why don't you change the person? There are laws. You make laws to change the system. You don't continue to follow old system, no. You don't follow the old system thinking say you want new results. In bank of so why we are very well. People are ready for fear omunya sa chance na omebe ye adwuma no wow wo soro na wo power no untimi pam nipa no mo complain say obi ye adwuma so one ebetene ne pa ko no
nti say de wo ye nuanu MPP for say fix your attitude and say na fix the country no unsu gidi say fix the country na say na fix your attitude
no de no cre
and I should be in line yeah fix it yeah fix it
mienu ni nyina ekọ because say me no musio one if abundance me provided dustbins at various places me no musio me dey betum and then they fix the country no what provided dustbin but so I provided dustbin na me hu na me dey ato former it means I need to fix myself so the whole thing is
that's been your crying to rubber dey you have to show bag man
very well Accra bi mutimi gather rubbish e dey to ho zoom line be fan e betimi esi o be 3 days 4 days what is causing all this
sanitation fix your attitude means they say kroma kro betimi num inside the work and num so no better atwe
system ni nya adwuma
and say zoom line for nya adwuma anye
system ni nya adwuma omo ye those things no omo kwa brocha they don't try that thing because who could try or hard you'll be deported ubeba or mind mu ubeba shit hole ni mu
hey
but here no
ubeba shit hole
we are no shit
you are calling Ghana a shit hole
there mesra
o my team
you see
you can send this for practice but this is an example to what we saying
maybe
this not nice
yeah okra wa me na say be an reference Donald Trump
oh
what I say
me nua kwa me asem e so
jama honorable machine
and nice
my retracte
they say financial on is coming you about you
my retracte there but the person say system no if the system is working people will fix their attitude imagine say obi out to rubbish out of form who is supposed to enforce those laws
say we EPA for environmental
very good your police they enforce our laws it's so be breaking law now sometimes they catch them and then they let them go or any be a patch up that sympathy your system no and then sympathy and obi breaking law we ni me patch up yeah man nko they be the system needs to work. That's what we are talking about.
Did you face the country or say changing our systems?
Never be one, the constitution.
Yeah, amendments.
It needs a total overhaul. Who believe say a constitution that there is no word of youth in it. The word youth is not in our constitution.
Say youth in
it means that as at the time they were drafting the constitution, no one drink youth in the home.
You know youth in the side.
But now, what I'm trying to say is that we've come a long way. We are
from 57 we've come a very long
way. Yeah, say yes, system, no. schools under imagine in the 21st century, schools are still under trees. What is preventing the government from removing all schools under trees? Then what is it? Rocket science? Maybe so, boss.
That be.
Meanwhile, your mind with your district directors of education.
I was on the
It's what district director of education. No? If the government is really serious, and if you talk, district director of education, you go to your district, all schools under trees, no, you take into stock of it records. This school is under trees. We make a decisive effort.
Every education for why they could do through I say I buy the babies now. One has no.
It's not me say from the top, no. If the government is showing willingness.
Who is a problem in the top? And so you will say the better cast ama ministers V8. Yeah, what they mean, yeah,
but school under tree. In today's Ghana, schools do have only decks. That's what they are. Fix it.
Inti akwade bosia mesi school no.
Who are right? So we do bosia atoka decks. And I want to
yo, sana mo carry ya obi atie mu.
They be bosia atoka.
Who man we ate
bosia.
Ya te bosia. One sabe so ya come asem.
Insecurity.
We bosia na ya te atoka ma MPs no.
That's what we are talking about. Fix the insecurity in the country.
Yes, fix the country na soon. Insecurity. School, infrastructure, and human and for
unemployment. I don't know, young boys will be nice coming. Did you mean the hot? Did you mean the hot? Almost as
coming here and so cast say, you know, and
I
yeah, me no me no me
our flow is better. Now we national service so just say.
Over the years, no. Over the years. Obi school and me 22 million musume crowd.
And me ati say oh 7 nation.
But honorable Mashia me say we the one be see. Simenu ma me dem ano aso. Enti etiefo na ahwefo youth in politics TV na wasungusu amuti na ebi mo so ehwe ene honorable Mashia finance committee chairman of CK Tedem University of Technology and Applied Sciences, formerly UDS Nabrongo campus. Ewo ha no person. One second deputy electoral commissioner chairperson. Ivan Sophia Japan senior. After 1 year T4, yeah, my musu abasima ba akope. Once I yes abebedi. Monko so ensure youth in politics TV. Amakwa baba youth in politics TV so. Stella ameni mimi anu mienu Kofi Japan honorable Mashkin Ofia. They say mra yedrusu ye ba beko MPs loan ya I said the men before they akwa kotoka any first lady for first and second lady Samira ne ye mama Rebecca. Sky say
mama Obatampa.
Obatampa Rebecca. Uni yemi yema me boa.
Nyame nkoa
uti ma Ghana
fu ma do ya hoye
sa pepepe ne no kre
ne boa obo mo
sa pepepe sky dey mo ebi allowance ne salary ma mi nkomi nua honorable Mashkiso me patro sanse mi wo ka ho sei wo ka ne sei
okay bi dey me start ne MPs loans no
mama o si ma mi ensape
okay MPs loans no me dream say we are not being fair to them.
To the MPs.
Yes.
Send the
See, because almost some year Article 71 office holders. And I'm remuno. Abine also provided cars and other amenities for them. But they are the only Article 71 office holders. Abine loan. Yes, entity fee on salary. Minister says
other article holders from the Basa wo kwa uja isi o ba before so dey okwa de beko
but the thing say even other appointees no they at the end of way no they auction it and then they buy it very cheap me kai 2016
omo auction ka na eto ni cheap ma
omo 2016 and this for time obi talk V8 3000
V8
yes
3000 Ghana
and they say shocks ni ma jojo
say NDC MP na to e on
ɛne deɛ mfa ho ɛyɛ ade a ɔmo nyinaa
yɛ MPC say yɛ ho awani
ɛyɛ ade ɔmo yɛ
MPP for yɛ nyɛ wei da
na kyɛ sɛ bepacho o tie mu sɛ sika no ade car no ɔde ne sika atɔ no
de bi ne minister
Deputy Minister of State.
Yes. It's on the same time. No.
Our second one.
Yes. Hey. Every 4 years, no, they always buy new cars because at the end of 4 years, no, I say more joke. So they auction it and they buy it for themselves.
And they want to buy a human winch. Now, all time I'm
not there any private way. What are they no? And the say MP's loans no. Omo salary no. Me one minister say I want say appointees wey be CEO of NABCO. Omo cars no.
Yentin bia loan. Ba wo kwa beja esi wo.
Obeja esi wo. But MPs there no, you better take your salary. So and they are all Article 71 office holders. And to me, no, they are not being treated.
Who said the court of public opinion or MPC?
He should not buy me say I was even lambasting them until I did my own digging and me who say in a coso and I who say
I guess my back
allowances for first lady and second lady in Sunday there. Me, I don't have issues with it. If only it is stipulated in our constitution, they say
first
come on, no problem. And then once they are being paid by the public, they should be able to withstand criticism. You bet Tiomo.
Say, yeah, my Rebecca also this Kayaba.
Oh, and then
and I was Robin Peter to pay.
Oh, any day. Bank now for them on my
two person say ma Rebecca too oni sika say e dan account mu dada.
Oh wait. The personal issues they into me.
Very well.
What I say?
Maybe issue
a time I saw me but and who say scan also say refund and who say obo refund ya na. Or can they adjust amount for akuma?
Dentia, me who the say. Dentia me who the say. In our system of governance, transparency is bad. We should have a system whereby who verify you can go and verify. CBG na buying bank and we refund this scam. So it doesn't say anything.
That's who bet me up.
No one is stopping you.
We have appropriate bodies so bet me verify.
Who is stopping you?
Those appropriate bodies are under government.
So you don't trust anybody.
It's not trust. It's the system. The system is
what system are you talking about? System men how come
oh yeah.
Honorable Maski me that was a pa me sa about to be men court na se twen me sima ba ko me sa about to sima ba ko ni go pay Japan MPs loan ne first ladies allowance ne salaries
mi nu akwa me nu Maski waka bibiri me fa free MP for loans me hu say ba bia ya duri with the loans no because of MP for bi omon sem any omana muntu omututu fast asem you over the years what the loan ni be dey talk we have new MPs afin omaba parliament ba bia omu free we hu omaba ba bia omu sisi omu hia sa cars we ni ade and ye ha adwuma omu ya ye mo loans ema omu koto cars
and yes and ministers now
Honorable Muntale Mohammed MP for Tamale Central or Kansas City or Joy Prime so 15th no or say Ablakwa is hypocrite if say Honorable Ablakwa the loan see twice now for yes I buy our sabete no one can say skey ni say loan yes so ni faso
and yeah ministers now
you until me nu akwa me Maski me slow me
ministers now first step the second television get cars
that is one na oka say free na ketu em
Mr. Minister they make ministers yes
MPs loans who be some are being tell am ti mesre na so be
and the ministers now more
finance Mr.
I do me mic
obi ga sam be so be ka bi
do me mic
munya abana mo manya ska about
We have been
excellency Ebenezer Opoku Mensah da.
I am being the
teacher.
I am being the
teacher. Allowance aba.
Oh, aba. Say MPs no. Omu so omu nyina dey one. Asem bi ba, omu nya abotre. Yes, MP ba ko wo pre.
Is it fair?
You see, we have some MPs on the TV so ka say omo a party first. Into a bibi dey prove as a party.
Or every people am say who say Ghana for the loans, you know. Do every bibi dey again the interest of the public opinion.
At the end of the day, the SCA will say, we know at the end of the day, the SCA will say, MPs we have the loans ni more ma. You better tio.
You better for market.
It's young guy or ministers assemble Rebecca. MPs assemble now.
Article 71.
MPs assemble.
First lady.
It's young guy or no mundi scam.
From
from market. So when did you say your MP na say ebi ehun hia enkote
na amafonso
we MP na ehun hia enkote
amafonso se loans say dey na honorable mashi eken ade na loan yan nyim fancy school ma school from kwatena mu nsia de
ni nyina ya de ehia ye ni nyina ya de ehia ese ye ni nyina ye ma ya MPs ne kwan
first lady second
e ye o ma adwuma
ye ma Rebecca ne
ye ma Rebecca
Samira
ye ma Rebecca ne ye ma Samira ye ma Rebecca nya mi sa na ba bi o ne ye ma Samira adwuma pa ene ne ma pa mo ya mo man ye nyina ye den ye nim nti no enye ne ye betena asem bi ai ni kwan se ye ka bibi bo ne kra form amafo kasa bebere ba ye nim omo ye nim jo ma se da yo mko kante ma mi lodi na ma se ska na odi ye nim na se hu ya on famara o ti ye ne se wadi awie ye hwa adwuma ye ma me no omo ye as first lady so
Bible crash odwuma ye ni fatana kachi
na katua ese ye ntu omo ka what you say you cannot give say ska me so ye nte so because every scan your mind and no ho but to say they don't deserve it.
What are their duties? Minister, cabinet minister,
say they must not say how can say
normal
but tell on mind papa what your mind what would the mama lodi na na mama Samira
is it
because this in our power. That's the what you say.
Constitution. That's the constitution.
The office of the first and the second is not an established office.
Is it in the constitution? And so why you
over the years? Allowances.
Allowances, they are fine.
My salary.
Allowance is not more. And I'm paying for it. Now say. Okay, allowance is your mudi who yabaka want to match order.
We were aware.
About your grandpa fair to the Ghanaians say.
That's the point.
What publishers are
just your bob. It's your bob.
It's not true. Over the years, no, the allowances from the office of the president. It is there. It's public notice. Obiani.
And they say, why are you being me?
Who ni ma kasi who ni? Eya pa who ni ma na? Na mi ni.
Aye etie for. And atwa for. And I'm joining our youth in politics TV so.
Say bet you
am na e
fire to fire na be mo.
Manifo say di adwene da chi a ye be hwe so fra. What I say? Enti no. Na say de enkom atwetwe ne ye enkom odi no ebesi emu aye de na nso eja agro aye de no na de nso semkrasefo. What I say enti na o say hwe na edi dwumadi no esi wa ha no enti. Honorable George, your last words. Who say me chat for?
Okay, me say me chat for ne say MPs no dey they deserve it, but not in a loan way also omutia. First ladies, so if you feel say you need to pay them, you should create that in the constitution. And they should have duties, responsibilities.
So they be to okay, say yes. My event in
very well.
Madam say na oba adwuma di so. No, me pa to am call me share with you adwuma di ma te say. Allowance go via Japan, Mr. MPP.
Yeah. When Mr. MPP ase me nyina Mr. Ghana. Adibia e be ko ya ma o my Ghana pia yi nyina. Ye fo aso. si me free her kakra me kan say MPP aban na Akufo-Addo eguso ye adwuma ne papa akoso nim se obia we ni mrepa mu no obia be jai de ekoso ma ka sempa aya ma me Rebecca mu nso sika no ye nyina ni adwuma omo ye esi omo se omo njibie nti me nka ho asem bebre me gidi se saa na Ghana fo bebre pa omo ate nti mrepa mu no ne ma nyina be koyi na ya minua otena nyame ya adom a minua Desmond Desmond mene na ye bibia ugu mi awu Desmond oh no ya mind bapa obi ani o ya MPP o ye nyina ya mind bapa aja se o tan ni birthday
na woda na me fa kwenya nso ama Desmond happy birthday na advance
nyami sam pa na ebi nso ye nyina yo so Desmond ye
benso mentia mi producer Bilal honorable Bilal producer na mi shira be cameraman so
studio manager
Mr. Efo pa mi senyo ya mi shira no papa
na me ka
say
Tuesday that's my birthday no ye be di ni ye pa
Tuesday so say sala ye jina sa ko nya be
ye pa ye ko
new chapter
ye jina ko nya be so ma ye nuamu nkramufo happy Eid so mo je so no
ye nyina ya boss wana abobela
COVID awe since na abobela mpa ye nya mi ti na
kamo hono nko so
na me hwe so enye enti atwefo na atiefo ye damase pa mo share Youth in Politics TV ye be ka say o say mo subscribe to your YouTube channel no Youth in Politics TV mo subscribe say notification bia no na mo nya ye koso adi dwumadi a emu akono na efe senso abremu Jumedi meka se enye twi nko a ye obrofo nso de o wanti ye ni amo a mo de munti twi na mo de obrofo nko a no brofo nso editions no mo betu akwa akope bi na mo ahwe na mo atie nso so jumedi ye party san educative program na ye hwe ne nsu bibi mfiri ye nua mo mabunu ye o mo nso wo politics mu se no mo si ko no se no mo si fa no na say you don't have to be a party slave. Party say you have to be a party supporter. Party slave enkoye grandpa onka ba party supporter dey enkoye kwa obeka party say eti fo nya hwefo ye damase pa yi ye sa be hye bi na me nka mo na me fa akwanya we so so atia me maame mere